Hello and welcome to this course on the applications of ChatGPT in computer programming. I'm Engineer Dr. E.S. Abdurrashid. I'm going to be the instructor for this course. I'm a university lecturer, a speaker, and a passionate YouTuber with a PhD in civil engineering from University Technology Petronas, Malaysia. So the course is entirely subdivided into different sections. In section 1, we're going to consider introduction to ChatGPT, and we're going to look at what is ChatGPT and what are some of the capabilities of ChatGPT, some of the limitations of ChatGPT as regards programming, of course, and then applications of ChatGPT in computer programming. What are the different applications? How can we use it in computer programming? And then we're going to go into using ChatGPT to do some very basic prompts. I'm going to take you through from the most basic steps on how to sign up and log into ChatGPT to how to understand the general overview of the platform, and then how to use it to send in some very basic prompts. And then we're going to go a bit in detail to look at prompt engineering, how to send in prompts, and what are some of the ways to respond to excessive responses and analyze responses from ChatGPT. And then in section 2, we're going to look at ChatGPT versus programming. Computer programming versus ChatGPT. Is it a good function? Is it a good feature to use when it comes to programming? Or do you need it or you don't need it? And what are the relations? How are these two related? How is ChatGPT relevant in computer programming? And then we're going to look at, will ChatGPT actually replace programmers? There's these questions flowing everywhere that with the advent of ChatGPT and with the AI revolution, that people are expected to lose their jobs from this. We are going to look at this in detail. Is it true or not? Programmers going to lose their jobs or not? And then we're going to look at, is ChatGPT coding trustworthy? Should you trust codes developed by ChatGPT? We're going to look in details about this as well. And then we're going to look at, should you code with ChatGPT? Because we can code with ChatGPT, should you use it to code? And what are the pros and cons to it? We're going to look in details about this in section 2. And then how else can I use ChatGPT? What other methods, what other features does it have that can help me as a developer to improve on what I'm doing? And then we're going to look at the roles of ChatGPT in growing your coding skills. Okay, how can ChatGPT help you as a developer to grow your own coding skills? And then we're going to look at section 3, which is programming prompt examples. We're going to look at direct prompt examples, how to prompt with templates and so on, how to write new codes with templates and with examples, live examples, writing the codes and experiencing the action from ChatGPT. Okay, and then we're going to look at new code for a tech stack. How do we write codes for a specific task, for a specific company, or for a specific design, okay, that we have? How do we debug an existing code? We're going to look at that also in detail. And then we're going to look at how to evaluate different technologies with ChatGPT, technologies related to programming, of course. And then we're going to look at more examples on the role of ChatGPT in computer programming. I'm going to practically show you some more examples. And then in section 4, which is going to be fully practical usage of ChatGPT in computer programming, we're going to look at how we can use ChatGPT to generate efficient algorithms for your own computer programming. And then we're going to look at how we can use it to format data and codes, and then how to use it to translate a given code that is written in maybe one language, for example Python, and convert it to JavaScript with this very tool. And then how we can optimize and ask programming related questions to ChatGPT, and how we can get our questions answered professionally. And then we're going to look at the use of ChatGPT to build websites. Okay, so we can generate the codes, the HTML codes, and paste them, and then see the snippets, and then see some sections of the website being designed directly using the codes generated from ChatGPT. The course is designed for beginners in programming, okay, whether you're a student, a lecturer, or a programmer, a content developer, you can learn from this how to use this very tool to write your own sophisticated codes. Okay, so you don't have to worry about errors, you don't have to worry about syntax, arrangement, styling, and so on. The processes, you just don't have to worry about that. So I'd like to sincerely appreciate and thank you for joining me in this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.